Hello guys, welcome to another session of our Excel for Productivity tips and tricks. In today's session, you're going to be looking at a very common problem or challenge you can face in the office with data. So in this instance, I have some names over here, right, that are combined with account numbers. So I have Emily combined with her account number, Theodore combined with his account number, and so on and so forth, right? Now, we want to separate the names from the numbers. So we want to have the names in one column and have the numbers in another column, right? Well, the obvious challenge is you can't find an easy delimiter to use to separate this. Okay, so we're going to see how we can use dynamic array functions to get this done.
Now, I'm going to give you a few minutes to try your hands on it. This is the data. You have the names over here with the account numbers, and you want to split the names from the account numbers. You want to have a column with names. So I'm going to put over here names, and then we'll put over here account numbers. All right. Good. Now, how are you going to do this? Let me give you a few seconds to try your hands on this and see how it goes.
A few moments later.
Okay. So the functions we're going to be using to create the split is the text after and the text before functions. Okay, we're going to use those two functions together to get the names and then get the account numbers. Right, now this is a bit tricky. It's not the usual text after and text before use a delimiter, but in this case we don't have a unique delimiter. So how do we go about it? So let's see. So text before. Okay, so first you need your text. Because this is 365, I can select the entire array. Then my delimiter. So delimiter is a character that serves as an indicator for Excel to extract or to know to which point to extract in terms of number of characters, right? In this case, you realize that we do not have any unique character that can help us know where the names end. This point there, the names Emily ends with letter I, Y, number starts with 0, here it ends with the letter E, number starts with 4. The number of characters are different, so how do we do it? Now, the good thing about text before is you can specify a number of characters that you can take into consideration when doing a split. So in this case, I'm going to just list all possible numbers that Excel can take into consideration when carrying out the split. So what I mean is, I'm going to start with 0, double quotation. Then if 0 doesn't work, check 1. If 1 doesn't work, check 2, check 3, check 4. I can go on to specify the 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the last one is 9. These are all the possible characters that can be delimiters for my names. So Excel should basically extract all characters that come before any of these. So once Excel sees any of these characters, it's going to extract the characters before this. Okay, once I'm done, I just need to just close this and further cadabra, boom, we have the names, right? Good. So just like that, we've been able to extract the names, and this is possible because of Excel 365. Now I can use the names as my delimiter to extract the account numbers. And how do I do this? I use text after. So I'm going to say extract everything from here and use these names as my delimiter. See, simple, and we don't need Power Query anymore. So this is the beauty of Excel 365. This is why Excel 365 has become such a big deal in the Microsoft Office space. So if you are interested in learning about dynamic arrays after seeing this, well, you are in luck because our upcoming session on Excel for Web will be exclusively on Microsoft 365 dynamic arrays. So this season, starting 24 February 2024, we'll be looking at how you can use dynamic arrays to make your life simple in the office. We'll have in-person classes as well as online sessions, okay? And these are workshop-style training sessions, so you're going to love them, you're going to enjoy them. If you want to join, kindly go to www.financeskillshub.com/apply, and then you can really apply to this. If you need more information on this, you can call this number to be able to join the upcoming session. Well, guys, this is all we have for today. I really enjoyed today's session. I hope you did too. We'll be looking at other videos in our coming session on how we can use 365 to make our life easy in the office. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you in our next session. Bye.
If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.